Hi guys, this is a beginner to missile tutorial of the tune Down by the Sally Gardens. It's a famous son air, so it's the perfect melody for us to get started with a lovely tune now that we have familiarised ourselves with the scale, with the notes, with the lower and higher octaves on the tin whistle. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play the tune first of all, and then we're going to break it down into nice sizable digestible chunks, and we're going to learn phrase by phrase, and lastly we'll piece the whole thing together like a jigsaw puzzle. So first things first is a nice rendition of Down by the Sally Gardens. Okay, so let's get started. The first phrase of Down by the Sally Gardens we're going to start with starts on a bottom D. So, okay, so we are starting on bottom D, we're going up to F and back down again. D, E, F, E, D, E. Try that again, nice and soft blowing also. Perfect. Now what I would like you to do is pause the video, practice that over and over and over again until you get really familiar with that first phrase. Let's go on to the next, starting on an F. F, A, B, A. Okay, we're going to hold that nice big long B note. Okay, we're also keeping our blowing really nice and soft the whole way through this. So try it again from the F. Perfect. Again, recommending that you pause after each phrase and just get really familiar with that. Phrase number 3, starting on a high D, so top finger off, blow a little bit stronger, and then we soften up again. High D, A, B. And then phrase 4 starts on A. Great, so that is A, F, E, hold the E note, and then 2 nice really soft bottom Ds. A, F, E, D, D. Perfect. Now dissect that as much as you want, learn it in little chunks and bring it together. Let's play the first half twice together. And that is the first half of Down by the Sally Gardens. Let's jump into the second half. So the second half is made up of a new bit of the melody, and then we recycle the first half again. So we've just one more chunk to learn, and then we'll be bringing in exactly what you already know. So that makes it just that little bit easier. So the new part of the melody that we need to learn for the second half goes like so. Okay, first phrase, let's learn it. A, D, C, A, B. A, D, C, A, B. It is a C sharp, so all fingers off, just what we've already practiced. A, D, C, A, B. Great. Second phrase of the second half. High D. High D, big long C sharp. You might want to use your pinky finger just to stabilize your toe muscle while you're playing that C sharp. So, again, I recommend just stop the video, practice those 4 notes, and become really, really happy with the tone and with your playing style over that phrase. Phrase number 3. Okay, this is going up and down from F, F, skip your D, F, A, B, A, F, F, A, B, A, F. And then phrase number 4 goes up into the higher octave. We're going to play a high E here. A, B, high D, high E. You know what to do. Pause the video, practice that phrase. Okay, now let's piece it together. Second half, after 2, 1, 2. Perfect. And then the last line is exactly the same as the first half. Finish it off, bottom D. And there we have it. That is the full tune of Down by the Sally Gardens. So just to finish off, I'm going to play it one more time, and please feel free, now that you've learned it, now that you've paused this video and came back and forth and learnt the tune inside out, let's play along at a nice leisurely pace. And there we have it. Down by the Sally Gardens. So my group, Keltry, has also done a full arrangement of this tune. You could pop on over onto our channel and you can check out our Keltry version of Down by the Sally Gardens, just if you want to hear the full band playing it. And yeah, I hope you had fun with this tune. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more, and also send me through some requests if there's anything in particular you would like to hear me do over the coming weeks and months. So yeah, have fun and thanks for joining me on this tutorial. Bye guys.